tears as he holds his son during the funeral of his late wife Melissa Silvera at the St Andrew Parish Church on January 12. Silvera was yesterday taken into custody in connection with his wife's murder. This is the Sauna room where we keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans. Before you go any further, please remember to hit that subscription button and leave a comment in the comment section box below. Former Member of Parliament of Western St Mary, Jolyan Silvera, was preparing for a party yesterday evening for an aunt of his deceased wife when investigators showed up to confront him. It is understood that the party was cancelled as the former PM, who is now a suspect in his wife's gun murder, was taken into office of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the JCF, Major Investigation Division, under flashing siren lights sometime after 5 p.m. Investigators say they have made major breakthrough in the murder of the 42-year-old Melissa Silvera, mother of the former PM's 3 boys. Head of the JCF Crime Portfolio, Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitzroy Bailey, said the police has sufficient evidence to mount a valid prosecution against the former People's National Party representative. This is after an intense week of investigation into Melissa's cause of death and the following ruling of the officer of the Director of Public Prosecution. Stay tuned for more information on this case. Please remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the comment section box below.